Welcome. If you want to save time and streamline your browsing, enabling automatic downloads in Google Chrome is a great way to let trusted sites download files without constant prompts. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the quick steps to turn on automatic downloads in Chrome. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your device. If it's not already running, just click the Chrome icon on your desktop or find it in your app list. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can control how your browser works and customize your experience. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Site Settings. Tap on it. This section gives you control over how websites interact with your browser, including permissions for things like location, notifications, and downloads. Now, look for the option labeled Automatic Downloads. Tap on it to open the Automatic Downloads settings. Here, you'll see a switch or toggle next to the option to allow sites to automatically download multiple files. To enable automatic downloads, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once you do this, Chrome will allow trusted sites to download files automatically, without asking you for permission every single time. That's all it takes. You've now enabled automatic downloads in Google Chrome. This feature is especially handy if you frequently download files from sites you trust, as it removes unnecessary steps and keeps your workflow smooth. Remember, you can always return to this setting and turn it off if you change your mind or want more control over your downloads. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more updated tech tips.